Hello guys, welcome. Today we're going to install Roblox Studio and set up our game. This tutorial assumes you meet the system requirements to have Roblox Studio run smoothly. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, make sure you connect to the internet and open up your dedicated web browser and search for create.roblox.com/landing. Press enter and it should take you to this screen. Click the Start Creating button and wait for a few seconds. You should see a button that says Download Studio. If you haven't already downloaded Studio, click Download Studio. Now, according to your settings, you may have this Open Save As thing on or off. But now mine has it on, so I'm just going to click Open. And now just wait for the Roblox Studio to install. Also, this may take a few minutes, so please be patient. As you can see, it's making progress right now. And depending on your processor speed, it might take from a few minutes to 10 or 20. So make sure you have a good processor speed. Okay, so Roblox Studio is almost done installing, so it should take about 30 seconds now, maybe. Alright, so it's almost done. There, it is now successfully installed. You should see this pop up. And there you go. You now have Roblox Studio installed. Now to start creating the game, click on the New tab on the top left. There you will find a lot of templates right here. So you can choose a theme or a gameplay template. I'm going to choose the obby template. Now wait for the place to load, and there. Now you have your own game right here, and to start the game, click the play button on the top left. It's the blue play button. There. You have your character inside the game, and you can play the obby, and you can also die as well. So to end the game, leave the game from here, or click the red stop button right here. Now, if you want to just get into the game without clicking this button all the time, you can just press F5, and you'll instantly get into the game. And if you want to leave the game, just press Shift F5. There you go. Alright, now that we have now created our game and have Roblox Studio installed. So in the next video, we'll be going into depth on how to create objects like these and this. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. To make sure you're subscribed to this channel so you don't miss any of my videos. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great day.